Good morning, student. Chapter number 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. First of all, discuss of sex determination. The mechanism of sex determination has always been a puzzle before the genetics. The initial clue about the genetic chromosomal mechanism. Chromosome mechanism is a one type of gene of sex determination can be tracked back to some of the experiment carried out for in insect. In fact, the cytological observation made in a number of insects led to development of concept of genetic and chromosomal basic of sex determination. First of all, this theory discovered by Henking in 1891 could trace a specific nuclear structure all through spermatogenesis, means one type of male and female gametes in a few insects, and it was also observed by them 50% of the sperm receive this structure for spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means 50% of sperm cell. Means spermatogenesis. And second, 50% sperm did not receive it. 50% sperm is received and do not receive 50% sperm. Henking gave a name of this structure. This is a X body. Clear? But he could not explain its significance. Further investigation by other scientists led to the conclusion that the X body of Henking was in fact of chromosome was X chromosome. It was also observed that the large number of insects, the mechanism of sex determination of X0, X chromosome or X0 type. Clear? Next point. Example of all X bear an additional X chromosome beside the other chromosome autosome. On the other hand, some of sperms bear X chromosome where the some do not. First of all, eggs fertilized by sperm having an X chromosome become females. Those fertilized sperm, second, they do not have X chromosome become males. Means sex chromosome means first male contain chromosome XY and female contain chromosome XX. One type of X, one type of Y chromosome only for male. One type of X chromosome, one type of X chromosome for female. Second example of Drosophila melanogaster. Second figure, Drosophila melanogaster. This male is X, female male chromosome XY and female XX. But another changes of third character, but female has a pair of dissimilar chromosome JW for female. And this chromosome double Z means male chromosomes. This is different, this condition. Okay. Next point. It was designated of sex chromosome and rest of the chromosome were named as autosome. Grasshopper, an example of X0 types of determination in which male have only one X chromosome. Male have only one X chromosome. Clear? And this observation for investigation of a number of species understand the mechanism of sex determination in a number of the other insect and mammals, including XY type for sex determination seen where the both male and female same number of chromosomes. Among the male chromosome for X chromosome is present, but its counterpart is a distinctly smaller called Y chromosome. Means this detail in this figure, first of all, these both males have autosomes XY and female XX. In Drosophila melanogaster, XY chromosome means male XY and female XX. But third type, genotype, in observed description, you have studied about two types of sex determining mechanism. First, X0 type, and second, XY type. Both males and produce two different types of gametes. First, either with or without X chromosome. Some gametes X chromosome, some with designed with determination of mechanism of design of example of male heterogamety, and second female heterogamety. Means this description for Z male, and this is a heterogamety, and ZW, this is a female. Clear? These chromosomes means some gametes with X chromosome and some gametes Y chromosome. Such types of sex determination mechanism designed example of male heterogamety. This is a male heterogamety. This is a male heterogamety. This is this. Clear? And in some other organism for birds, different mechanism of sex determination means different for female heterogamety. Female heterogamety means in order to have distance with mechanism of sex determination described earlier, two different sex chromosome of female bird has been designed of Z and W chromosome. Z and W chromosome in this organism, the females have one Z and one W chromosome, whereas the male have pair of Z chromosomes besides the autosomes. Means observe this figure. In many birds, female has a pair dissimilar chromosome ZW and male two similar. This male two similar chromosome ZZ and female dissimilar chromosomes ZW. Sex determination for chromosomes only for XY male, XX female. Insect XY male and XX female. Only for birds ZZ, capital ZZ, in many birds female dissimilar chromosomes pair of ZW, means ZZ is a male chromosomes and this is a similar, and dissimilar chromosomes for female only for births examples for sex determination. Thank you, student.